This is a story of a company with a strong technical base. Datsuns, a 4-decade-old baby of Mr. Arun Deshpande and his late father. It is their efforts which has got the company where it stands now. Along with an extended guidance and enhancement by Vikarsh Group of companies, which have won the National Technology Excellence Award from the President of India. Innovation, upgradation, commitment to quality, and customer focus are the key elements for steady progress of Datsuns. With growing thrust on Make in India and digital infra, the requirement of power utility with improved power quality is booming up. To cater this growing requirement, we at Datsuns stand strong and committed to fulfill the needs. Due to excellent product quality, timely delivery, and outstanding service support to the customers, Datsuns have become one of the preferred brands in Indian as well as overseas market. Headquartered in Pune, we are an ISO certified company specialized in making power magnetics, dry-type K-rated transformers, intelligent and custom-built PDUs for data center applications, and UPS power accessories. Datsuns designs, manufactures, integrates, and offers services in critical infrastructure and market segments like banking, finance, IT industries, data centers, communication, research centers, metros, Airport Authority of India, stock exchanges, medical and diagnostic applications, etc. We offer power distribution units, PDU, with branch current power measurement, BCPM, in single and three-phase configurations as per customers' requirement and ratings, isolation and K-rated transformers up to 2 MVA in various configurations, transformer cubicles, servo stabilizers, phase sequence correctors, auto changeover panels, AC distribution boards, and soft starters. We have a manufacturing facility spread over 2,500 square meters and is fully equipped with adequate and high-tech setup for transformer manufacturing. We have smart test benches ensuring multiple panel testing and equipped with power quality analyzer, thermal imaging camera, and other test equipment. What sets us apart is that we at Datsuns do everything in-house, right from designing and manufacturing all its critical processes like transformers, enclosures, bus bars, harnesses, up to product final testing. Presently, the company has a capacity of 250 plus panels per month. This setup has experienced and skilled operators with let-down system guidelines, which ensures enhanced productivity and superior quality of the product. The company has a distinctively designed and supplied transformers with guaranteed efficiency of plus 99%. It has also best-in-class 600 kVA largest PDU has been supplied to one of the prestigious data centers. Building relations with qualitative productivity is our motto, and we strive to do so every single day. As rightly said by our esteemed director, each of our product embodies our core values of business integrity, innovation, uncompromising quality, and customer satisfaction. Following with the same ideology, we plan to expand globally by providing efficient products and innovative solutions with optimized cost. making Datsuns a company worth to be associated with. We endeavor to fly high and prosper and give you services to your satisfaction. Datsuns Electronics, delivering quality power solutions.